Guys, I'm on a beautiful property out here, Southern California, Zone 10. We're here in the Long Beach area, and right behind me are some special trees, special avocado trees. Let's take a look at that. Look, look, look. Whoa, huge trees. Huge, huge trees. There's the trunks. Another one. I'm looking straight up. These trees are from the Dominican Republic. The story behind these trees is that the owner, back in the 70s, planted these trees. He brought seeds from the Dominican Republic and he planted them. And after a while, they started making fruit. And there's a lot of varieties out here, special, unique varieties from the Dominican Republic and others. Look at the fruit up there. These fruit are huge. I'm gonna pick some and we're gonna take a look. Hopefully we can do a taste test as well. But these are some established, mature trees. This is another one, another seedling from the Dominican Republic. Wow. You know, they say, I was always skeptical, I was skeptical about these Dominican Republic. They're called the West Indies type, the West Indies landrace, the Caribbean type, the Florida types. I was skeptical that they could grow here, but these trees are growing strong. They're making a lot of fruit. And I'm starting to really get into those West Indian types. I like them now. And so I'm excited to show you this land. Look at this tree here. Look at this one. Whoa. Okay, this one is a seed from the trees you just saw. And it looks completely different. The fruit turns black like the Hass avocado. Look at that. Let me stand over here. You guys can see how much fruit this thing has made. Again, another seedling. And I had the fruit from this one. And it's really good. And it's flowering. Because we're here in April. Oh, look at that cluster of fruit right there. We're here in April. And these are flowering hard. And this fruit is delicious. It's not a Hass avocado. It looks like a hybrid of a Hass with one of the Dominican types. Because in this neighborhood, there are a lot of avocado trees. Just driving around, just getting here, there were so many avocado trees all over the place. So there's a lot of cross-pollination going on. And you're gonna get cool new varieties like this. Wow. And the trees here are old, because look at this citrus tree right here. This is an old growth citrus tree. Huge tree. The owner said this is an orange tree. And look at the size of this orange. Let me try to capture it. The size of that orange is huge. We're gonna pick that and try to eat that as well. I'll show you guys what it looks like later on. This is an avocado seedling that popped up. Kent mango, Keat mango. All right, this is a big property, a lot of land here. Another avocado seedling. Another one they said that's flowering for the first time after many years. Let's see if there's any fruit on this. There was some fruit on the ground. It was a really interesting fruit. Let's see, let me try to find one. Oh, there's one right there. I see it. Oh, here. Got one. That's what it looks like. I'm excited to try this one too. Wow. Oh, here's more. Falling on the ground. Whoa. New variety from seed. All right. There's a really nice tree right here. Look at this tree. This is also a seedling. Whoa. Big tree. 20 foot tall, 25 feet tall. This tree is absolutely loaded down with avocados. This tree has a lot of fruit on it. Wow. Oh yeah. All right. All right. We're gonna pick some of these as well, and we'll do a taste test of all these varieties that are here on this great little piece of property right here. Here's the trunk of the tree. Big old established tree. Absolutely loaded with avocados. Beautiful. I love exploring. I love finding properties like this, man. It's so fun. There's so much out there that you can find if you just look. Citrus tree. Another orange, it looks like. Wow. This is another established citrus tree. Yeah. More citrus. There's a fig over there. I told the owners that they have a lot more room to plant more trees. Fig tree. All right. It's got figs on it. Really early too for April. Beautiful. All right. Let's start picking avocados, okay? Let's go. All right, everybody. The first avocado got ripe. This is what it looks like. This is what it is standing next to a soda can for size reference. This is an interesting avocado, again, from the Dominican Republic. This is what avocados look like in those tropical, subtropical climates out there. The West Indies land race, the Caribbean land race, the Florida race, whatever you want to call it. This is what they look like. Green, thin skin. They stay green mostly when they're ripe. Some varieties turn black, just like the Hass, even though in the West Indies. This is what it looks like. This is a big avocado, all right? You're going to feed a lot of people with this one avocado. It's sizable. Let's wait. Okay. Ow! Oh, that hurt. I sat on the tip. Oh my God.
The funny thing is I'm filming it.
Oh, man, that really hurt. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God. I think I need to take a few days off from YouTube videos. I got an injury doing YouTube videos. Anyways, guys, this is a sizable avocado. Let's weigh it. Let's see how much it weighs, okay? Put the right there. 740 grams, which is, let's see how much it weighs in pounds. 1 pound, 10 ounces, okay? That's over a pound and a half, pretty much. Over a pound and a half. A lot of food. A lot of food in one avocado. All right, let's open it. Oh, man. This is like a, feels like a dinosaur egg or something. Oh, whoa. Wow. Interesting. Wow. Look at the size of the seed. That's a big seed. A lot of flesh. Turned brown on the inside a little bit. But it looks really good. Let's try it. Taste test. That's all that matters, right? Is the taste test. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. It has a lot of oil. It has a lot of cream. That's very nice. I've been buying these Florida avocados from the grocery store. This tastes a little bit different to that. This seems to have some genetics from a Guatemalan type or one of the Mexican types. The neighborhood where this avocado tree was growing had a lot of avocado trees. It used to be an avocado orchard. I could just tell because there was huge avocado trees, many decades old. Different types. Some of them were the black thin skin type, the Mexican types, and some of the Guatemalan types. I'm sure when this seed was planted, there was a lot of cross-pollination going on, and this got some of those genetics. It's a lot creamier and a lot oilier. It has the same kind of flavor along the lines of the Guatemalan types, like the Reed and the Nabal and that family. Very nice. Yeah. Here's a little bit downside though. It has a little bit of those black streaks, a little bit of fiber in there, just a little bit. Oh, here's some fiber too. You see all that? There's a little bit of fibers. It's not unpleasant. It's fine. It's not that it doesn't affect the flavor at all. But that's what the little fibers look like. Yeah, here's one. See that? Overall, it's really good. Mm. I have 3 more varieties from that little lot that I went to. There's 3 more varieties to try. This one ripened first. We'll do a taste test of the other 3, okay? But this is the first one. The owner called it Dominicano from the Dominican Republic. He doesn't have a name yet. Well, this is good enough to name. I would get signs of this. I would graft this variety just for the sheer size and the flavor. It's good, okay? See you at the next 3. Later, 2 more of the varieties ripened up. 2 more new seedlings from the yard I showed you. This one right here is the one I'm going to open first. This is very likely, it's a seedling of the big Papi Dominicano avocado you just saw just a few seconds earlier. And the reason I say that is because it has very much the same texture, the same look. My theory is that an animal ate one of those avocados and then carried the seed and dropped the seed further down the yard, which is where this tree was located. All right, and this is what it looks like. It's much smaller than the big Papi Dominicano we just saw. Much smaller. It's about the size of the Hass avocados you get at the grocery store. But wow, this is interesting. I love trying avocado new varieties for the first time. I just love it. All right, let's see what this is all about. Oh, nice. Beautiful. That looks good. That looks good. Promising, promising. All right, let's try it. Yeah, see? Same kind of interior. That's the interior that the West Indian Florida types have. It kind of looks like that, and where the seed pit was. And I'm going to try this for you. Oh, that's bad. I did not like that. Oh, it has an off flavor. I mean, it's okay. Oh, wait. Okay, the aftertaste is a lot better. It has like a very unique, strong flavor right in the front. Hold on, let me try it again. Okay, the second bite was better. It has a very nice aftertaste, I'll say that. But that first bite, I was not prepared for that. It has like, it tasted off like a overripe avocado. It tasted like that for a few seconds. But the aftertaste is much better. It tastes similar to the Big Papi, to its parent. But the Big Papi was much better, much smoother and creamier, and had a better flavor. Okay? Now to the next one. This is one I'm really excited about because the tree this avocado came from was productive, hyper productive. It had so many avocados on it. Upright grower, about 20 feet tall. A lot of avocados. Didn't spread much. Straight upright grower. I'm thinking this is a seedling. It looks like a Charwell, but the tree, looking at the tree, it was not a Charwell tree. Charwell trees and leaves have a unique look and a unique shape, and I think I'm able to identify a Charwell tree. This is not a Charwell, I'm guessing. It's a new variety, and I tried some of the ones that had fallen on the ground around the tree, and they were really good, which is why I'm really excited for this one. This might be something nice, something new, okay? So let's open this one. Oh, here, let's look at it now. Next to the Coke can for size reference. All right. Let's try it. All right. Oh, all right. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Taste test. Here we go. Much better. That is good. That is tasty. I like that a lot. Okay, I'm tasting like hazelnut, walnut, one of those nuts. Almond, maybe? It has a nutty flavor, let's just say that.
That was like completely different taste palette.
Yeah, 100% different than what I just did this one. You know, avocado haters will tell you that avocados have no flavor. They don't have a taste. They just taste like paste. They should try these 2 avocados. You'll immediately be able to tell that these 2 are different varieties because their flavor profile is very, very different. This is delicious. The one I just tried, delicious. This is worthy of getting scions, worthy of propagating this tree. And I'm gonna work on getting scions of this, okay? We gotta name this one. We gotta name this one. This didn't have a name. Well, I'll talk to the owner and we'll come up with a name. This is worth naming. Delicious avocado. And it gets much, much bigger than this. Much bigger than this. Almost double the size. Because I have some big daddy ones inside. Not ready yet. Wow. Promising.
The other one is not worth it.
No, the other one, no. This one, sorry. This one should remain where it is and not get propagated, okay? One more variety to try, and once it's ripened, we're gonna try it. Stay tuned.
That's
Okay.
good.
This is the last avocado from that yard. This is what it looks like. It looks like a Hass avocado, but it is not a Hass avocado. I've opened one of these already, and I can guarantee you it's not a Hass avocado. My guess is it got cross-pollinated with a Dominican type, cross-pollinated with a Hass avocado, and this is what it looks like. That's my theory, that's my guess, because there was a lot of avocado trees in that neighborhood, and there was a lot of cross-pollination going on. So that's what it looks like here, next to a soda can, for size comparison. Let's weigh it. Let's see how much it weighs. What does that say?
271.
271. Let's change it. That's 271 grams. It's like half a pound. Ounces. Or where's the ounces?
Yeah.
This one? Ounces?
Yeah.
What does that say?
9.56.
9.56 ounces. Okay. Half a pound. Yeah. Half a pound avocado. Let's open it. Let's try it. And I'm going to show you why this is not a Hass avocado in a second. You're going to see something different. All right. And I forgot a spoon. I don't have a spoon. I'm going to run and get a spoon. But let's open this first and see what's inside. Woo! I think I opened it a little bit early. It is ripe though. That's what it looks like. Very, very nice. Now, Hass avocado, this is very subtle, okay? Hass avocado seed cavity, the seed pocket, is a little bit lower. Just a little bit lower. This is more towards the center, and that's how I know this seed cavity is a little bit more towards the center, which a lot of these Florida, West Indian, Caribbean types have. Their seed cavity is a little bit higher, and that's how I know it's a hybrid. It's not the true Hass. Let me go get a spoon. We're gonna try this avocado. I'll be right back. And I'm gonna try this for you for the first time on camera in front of you. Here we go. That's good. Really good. Strong flavor, strong avocado wheat flavor. Let's see. Let me try to peel it. Let's see if it peels. Doesn't peel that well. Peels a little bit well. That's okay. Flavor is good. Strong flavor. Strong flavor. Flavor like a good mix of the Hass flavor mixed with the West Indian types. Quite nice. Okay. Know what some of you are probably thinking. Scions. You want scions. I'm going to try to go back to that place and get scions. My favorites was the Big Papi, the first one you saw. That was my favorite. Second favorite was the green one from the tall, narrow tree. Third favorite is this one, which I think I want scions with this one. And then the one I'm not even going to bother to get scions from was that seedling. That was, I don't know, that was not good. Okay? So there you have it. 4 new varieties on camera for the first time. You saw it right here. As usual, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know if you found any new varieties out there. Let me know if you want scions. Maybe I'm going to try to get scions, okay? And then I'll distribute them to the people. As usual, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.